Imagine a force where power, technology, and strategy move together as one. The United States Army. Known across the world for its unmatched military strength, the U.S. Army is not defined by numbers alone, but by the advanced weapons and systems that give it dominance on the modern battlefield. From the moment a mission begins, every weapon plays a specific role, creating a perfectly coordinated fighting force. At the foundation of this power stands the U.S. Army soldier, equipped with the M4 Carbine, a lightweight and highly accurate rifle designed for speed, control, and adaptability. Its compact design makes it ideal for urban combat, allowing soldiers to move through buildings, vehicles, and narrow spaces while maintaining lethal firepower. Alongside the M4, the M16 rifle carries decades of battlefield history. Introduced during the Vietnam War, the M16 became a symbol of American infantry strength and continues to be used today for training and specialized missions due to its long range and accuracy. When battles intensify, the U.S. Army relies on machine guns such as the M249SAW and the M240 to dominate the fight. These weapons are designed to provide sustained suppressive fire, forcing enemy forces into cover and allowing friendly troops to maneuver safely. Their presence alone can shift the momentum of combat. For missions that require extreme precision at long distances, U.S. Army snipers use the M107 Barrett 50 caliber rifle. This powerful weapon can engage targets from over a mile away and is capable of disabling equipment and lightly armored vehicles, making it one of the most feared sniper rifles in the world. Modern warfare also demands the ability to destroy enemy armor, and the U.S. Army excels in this area. One of its most advanced systems is the Javelin missile system, a shoulder-fired, fire-and-forget weapon that locks onto enemy tanks and strikes from above, targeting their weakest point. After firing, the soldier can immediately move to safety, increasing survivability on the battlefield. The AT-4 rocket launcher further strengthens anti-armor capabilities, offering quick and effective firepower against light armored vehicles and fortified enemy positions. Ground dominance is reinforced by the U.S. Army's armored forces, led by the M1 Abrams main battle tank. Built with heavy composite armor, a powerful main cannon, and advanced targeting systems, the Abrams operates like a moving fortress, capable of both delivering devastating firepower and surviving direct enemy attacks. Supporting infantry units is the Bradley fighting vehicle, which transports soldiers into combat zones while providing strong fire support. To counter threats such as roadside bombs and ambush, especially in modern conflicts, the U.S. Army deploys MRAP vehicles, specifically engineered to protect soldiers from explosive attacks. Beyond direct ground combat, long-range firepower plays a critical role in U.S. Army operations. The M777 howitzer is a lightweight yet extremely powerful artillery system capable of striking targets miles away with high accuracy. Its mobility allows rapid deployment, even in difficult terrain. For deep and precise strikes, the U.S. Army uses the HIMARS rocket system, a highly mobile launcher capable of delivering devastating firepower into enemy territory within minutes. Air power gives the U.S. Army a decisive advantage over the battlefield. The AH-64 Apache attack helicopter is one of the most lethal weapons in modern warfare, equipped with advanced sensors, missiles, rockets, and machine guns that allow it to hunt enemy armor and support ground forces day or night. The Black Hawk helicopter serves as the backbone of transport and evacuation missions, moving troops, supplies, and wounded soldiers through hostile environments. Unmanned aerial systems also play a vital role, with drones like the MQ-1C Gray Eagle providing continuous surveillance, intelligence gathering, and precision strikes without risking human pilots. Looking toward the future, the U.S. Army continues to push the boundaries of military technology. Laser weapons are being developed to counter drones and missiles, while artificial intelligence is being integrated into command and decision-making systems. Robotic vehicles and autonomous platforms are expected to transform the battlefield, reducing risk to human soldiers. Future troops will be equipped with smart helmets, advanced sensors, and real-time battlefield data, allowing faster and more accurate responses. Hypersonic missiles capable of traveling at extreme speeds are also part of future plans, reducing enemy reaction time to nearly zero. In the end, U.S. Army weapons are more than tools of war. They represent innovation, precision, and strategic superiority. Each system is designed to perform a specific mission, and when combined, they create one of the most powerful and coordinated military forces in the world. This is what defines the strength of the United States Army.